The Secrets/Dreams Resort Playa Esmeralda, set to open its doors in April 2025, is poised to become a premier all-inclusive destination in the Dominican Republic. Nestled in the pristine Playa Esmeralda region on the northeastern coast, this resort complex combines two distinct properties under the Hyatt Inclusive Collection: Secrets Playa Esmeralda, an adults-only luxury retreat, and Dreams Playa Esmeralda, a family-oriented haven. Secrets Playa Esmeralda Resort and Spa is exclusively for adults, providing a refined, unlimited luxury escape designed for couples and friends seeking an atmosphere of sophisticated relaxation. In contrast, Dreams Playa Esmeralda Resort and Spa caters to families, offering a dynamic, fun-filled environment complete with dedicated kids and teens clubs, a water park, and numerous activities designed to entertain all ages. Both resorts boast 500 impeccably designed suites, state-of-the-art facilities, and a commitment to delivering an all-inclusive experience that leaves nothing to be desired. The resort is approximately 90 minutes by car from Punta Cana International Airport, the closest major gateway, making it accessible yet pleasantly removed from more crowded areas. Guests can anticipate shuttle services arranged by the resort, a common feature of Hyatt's all-inclusive properties, or opt for private taxis for a more personalized transfer. The journey offers scenic views of the Dominican countryside, setting the stage for a relaxing arrival. Accommodations. Secrets Playa Esmeralda, designed exclusively for adults, will feature 500 luxurious suites tailored to various preferences and levels of indulgence. Guests can expect options such as standard suites with king beds and private balconies offering ocean or garden views, junior suites equipped with whirlpool tubs for added relaxation, and master suites boasting separate living areas for a more spacious retreat. The top-tier preferred club suites will elevate the experience with exclusive perks like private lounge access, personalized check-in, and priority reservations at dining venues. Each suite is anticipated to include modern amenities such as flat-screen TVs, complimentary minibars stocked daily, premium bedding, safes, hairdryers, bathrobes, slippers, and high-speed Wi-Fi, ensuring a comfortable and upscale stay. Dreams Playa Esmeralda, catering to families, will offer a range of accommodations designed for convenience and enjoyment across all ages. Standard rooms will feature king beds with sofa beds or double beds, accommodating up to 2 adults and 2 children, while family suites will provide separate bedrooms and living spaces for larger groups, with capacities of up to 4 adults and 2 children. Preferred club rooms will offer enhanced amenities similar to those at Secrets, including access to a private lounge and concierge service. Family-friendly touches will include cribs upon request, high chairs, baby monitors, and child-proofing options, alongside daily housekeeping to maintain a tidy and welcoming environment for guests of all ages. Both properties will emphasize comfort and style, drawing on the Hyatt Inclusive Collection's reputation for quality. Secret Suites will cater to couples and solo travelers seeking romance or relaxation, with elegant decor and private outdoor spaces perfect for unwinding. Dreams, meanwhile, will prioritize functionality for families, integrating kid-friendly features with access to the Explorers Club for ages 3 to 12 and the Core Zone for teens, ensuring that every family member has a tailored experience. These accommodations, while not yet reviewed firsthand due to the pre-opening status, are projected to meet the high standards of the Secrets and Dreams brands, based on their established portfolios in the Caribbean. Dining options. Dining at Secrets Playa Esmeralda will be a culinary highlight, with an array of specialty restaurants anticipated to serve a variety of global cuisines. Guests can look forward to options such as Italian trattorias with handmade pastas, French bistros offering refined dishes, Asian fusion restaurants with sushi and stir-fries, and Dominican eateries showcasing local flavors like sancocho and mofongo. A main buffet will provide international selections for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, while casual poolside and beachfront grills will offer lighter fare like burgers, salads, and seafood. The adults-only setting ensures a sophisticated dining atmosphere, with premium cocktails and wines included in the all-inclusive package, a hallmark of Secrets resorts. Dreams Playa Esmeralda will complement this with family-friendly dining options designed to please diverse palates. Expect restaurants serving Mediterranean cuisine with fresh seafood and olive oil-rich dishes, Mexican eateries with tacos and guacamole, and Dominican specialties tailored for younger tastes. Casual venues will include a pizzeria, a pasta station, and an ice cream parlor, ensuring kids have plenty of fun choices. The Sip, Savor See program, a feature of Hyatt's all-inclusive properties, will allow guests to dine across both resorts without reservations, enhancing flexibility. Additionally, 24-hour room service will cater to late-night cravings or early risers, with menus likely offering sandwiches, salads, and desserts for in-room convenience. Both resorts will emphasize quality and variety, with no additional costs for dining, a key perk of the all-inclusive model. Secrets will focus on an upscale experience, potentially including romantic dinners under the stars or themed culinary nights, while Dreams will prioritize accessibility with kid-friendly menus and buffet options to suit picky eaters.
P.
Activities and amenities. The Secrets/Dreams Resort Playa Esmeralda will offer a robust lineup of activities catering to both adult and family interests. At Secrets Playa Esmeralda, guests can enjoy the pristine beach with complimentary water sports like kayaking, paddleboarding, and snorkeling, alongside multiple infinity pools with swim-up bars for a luxurious lounging experience. On-site options will include tennis courts, dance classes like salsa or merengue, and a fitness center with modern equipment and group sessions such as yoga or Zumba. Nightly entertainment, featuring live music, theatrical performances, or themed parties, will keep the evenings lively, with the added perk of accessing Dreams Water Park for a change of pace. Dreams Playa Esmeralda will shine as a family paradise, highlighted by a water park complete with slides, splash zones, and a lazy river, perfect for kids and adults alike. The Explorers Club for ages 3 to 12 will offer supervised activities like arts and crafts, treasure hunts, and movie nights, while the Core Zone for teens will provide video games, pool tables, and social events to keep older kids engaged. Family-oriented activities will include beach volleyball, movie screenings under the stars, and interactive games, with shared access to the beach and pools ensuring everyone can enjoy the coastal setting. Non-motorized water sports and a fitness center will also be available, mirroring Secrets offerings but with a family-friendly twist. Both properties will blend relaxation with excitement, leveraging Playa Esmeralda's natural assets. Secrets will cater to adults seeking leisure or romance, with quiet pool areas and upscale amenities, while Dreams will prioritize entertainment for all ages, ensuring no one feels left out. Pre-opening promotions highlight these features as consistent with the brand's standards, though exact schedules and equipment details will solidify closer to April 2025. The combination of on-site fun and access to nearby excursions, detailed below, positions this resort complex as a versatile destination for diverse travelers. Final thoughts and overall impression. In summary, the Secrets/Dreams Resort Playa Esmeralda stands as a groundbreaking destination that redefines the all-inclusive vacation experience. With its dual-concept design, the resort masterfully caters to both couples seeking a quiet, luxurious retreat and families looking for a vibrant, activity-packed holiday. The impeccable attention to detail, from the exquisite accommodations and diverse dining options to the extensive recreational and wellness facilities, ensures that every guest is enveloped in an atmosphere of unparalleled luxury and personalized service. The property's stunning location on the secluded shores of Playa Esmeralda, combined with modern architecture and lush tropical surroundings, creates a picturesque backdrop that elevates the entire experience. Whether you are captivated by the romance of Secrets or the dynamic family-friendly offerings of Dreams, you are guaranteed an escape that is both indulgent and authentically Caribbean. Every aspect of the resort is designed to make you feel pampered, relaxed, and thoroughly immersed in a world of endless possibilities. Looking ahead to its opening in April 2025, the Secrets/Dreams Resort Playa Esmeralda promises to become a landmark destination in the Dominican Republic. For travelers who demand nothing but the best, from gourmet cuisine and luxury accommodations to tailor-made recreational activities, This resort offers an all-inclusive paradise where every moment is crafted to perfection. It is a destination that invites you to dream big, vacation better, and create memories that will last a lifetime.